So there's a lot of credit cards out there that you guys can get without an annual fee. I always tell people to try to get a credit card with Discover. A lot of their credit cards, none of their credit cards, should I say, just a lot of, none of their credit cards have an annual fee, and even down to their like secure credit cards. I even have a full list of credit cards on my website. If you guys are looking to build your credit, or if you guys are looking to get credit cards because you have bad credit, I have a full list of credit cards that you guys can get that don't have an annual fee at all. So just go to Rickita.com to check it out. Now let's look at those credit cards now. So let's see. Let's actually, instead of putting bill, let's put bad credit in, because there's a lot of credit cards you guys can get even if you have like bad credit. So this is the card that you already said you have. They have the $25 annual fee. The credit builder card have an annual fee. It is a secure credit card. The kickoff account, the Discover credit card is what I told you guys already about. The Discover credit card, they do not have annual fees for any of their credit cards. The Tumo credit card, they don't have an annual fee at all. They're not going to look at your credit. They're going to look at your banking history. I have my Tumo credit card. I don't have my wallet here to show you guys, but I have my Tumo credit card. I don't use it. I really don't use it because I get so many rewards on other credit cards, and these bills it's different how you have to pay these bills. But this is another one you could check out because they don't have an annual fee. They don't charge any interest. They don't charge any fees at all. The In Rewards Secure credit card, they don't have a fee. Only one of their credit cards with Navy Federal. We were just looking at that. Only one of their credit cards have a annual fee, and that is going to be their flagship. But their flagship give out higher limits in terms of your credit cards approval. So you could definitely check that one out. And Pedal One, they don't have an annual fee at all, so you can check that one out. Capital One, like you said, you already had one Capital One card. Capital One, actually you said you had the Platinum. This is the Platinum Secure. So try to see if you can get like their Quicksilver one that don't have an annual fee, or try to see if you can get any of their other credit cards that don't have an annual fee, because Capital One have quite a few credit cards that you guys can definitely choose from, and they don't have an annual fee. So you can definitely check out more Capital One credit cards. Open Sky, they do have an annual fee. Discover, they don't have an annual fee. Credit One Bank, they don't have an annual fee, but they may be able to give you a credit card with no annual fee depending on what your credit score is. Double check with them. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So double check. They're going to pull your Experian credit report to pre-qualify you. Mission Lane, their credit card, their annual fee is going to be between $0 and $75. So hopefully you get the $0 Mission Lane credit card. You asked about the credit Sesame. I just don't, I got to see the reporting on some of these accounts. So I can't really speak on the credit Sesame, because some of them accounts, they report to the credit bureaus, but they're not like a real credit card. So definitely call them and see. The Prosper credit card, they don't have an annual fee. They can pre-qualify you, so check them out. Milestone, no annual fee. Sometimes they could give you an annual fee, so double check. Double check. Indigo credit card, the annual fee for this credit card is $0, but it could possibly be an annual fee. Destiny credit card could definitely give you an annual fee. Merrick Bank, you can look into them, no annual fee. Alo, look into them, possibly no annual fee at all. And those are a lot of different credit cards that you can definitely check out. But just double check with these credit cards, because a lot of these credit cards, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Just go to my website, Rickita.com, and search bad, and then you'll see the best credit cards for bad credit. And then once you see these credit cards, check out all of those credit cards and double check what the annual fee is going to be. But they're going to be able to pre-qualify you too, so they should be able to let you know about that annual fee, hopefully. So definitely check